Nisambula Vinaka Fiji, welcome to Jejemon. From whatever part of the country you are joining me from tonight, good evening and namaste to you. I hope you're having a great weekend, and this week we say Mbula Sia to our viewers up in the north and the province of Madhuwata. It is a pleasure to have your awesome company this evening. Now, the Fijian Fashion Festival is set to rock the city of Suva when the models take to the runway on June 1st and 2nd. The organizing team have been working hard behind the scenes as well as hunting for that next top model to break through this year. A model casting in Suva was held to select models for the inaugural event, and the Jejemon crew was on site to check out some of the talent that showed up to the castings. Check it out.
Bula, my name is Robert Croker.
Bula Fiji, my name is Jerica.
Hi everybody, my name is Malani.
Bula Fiji, my name is Leanne Jane.
Bula Fiji, my name is Akini Makita Dodingongau.
Bula Fiji, I'm Tara.
Bula Fiji, my name is Edward Leweni Rakaseta.
Bula Fiji, my name is Monica.
Bula Vinaka Fiji, I'm David Gangan.
Bula Fiji, I'm Zakia Zeba Magbul.
I'm 21 years of age and I'm from Rutuma.
I'm from the Rewa province and I'll be 21 this year.
I'm currently 20 and I'm from the province of Kandavu.
I'm 19 and I'm from Rewa.
Currently, I'm 20 years old and I come from the province of Ra.
I'm 18 and I'm from Rewa province.
I am 21 years old and I'm from Telugu.
I'm 17 years old and I'm from Thailand.
I am 17 years of age and I hail from the beautiful islands of Ghana.
Okay, I'm 25 years old, coming from Rewa.
Because I get to meet a lot of people, socializing is more important and it builds my self-esteem. So, yeah.
I auditioned because I wanted to try something new and to build up my confidence. So that's the only reason I tried.
This is when we come out of our shell as becoming like a shy person and quiet. This is where you show your confidence and where you also be comfortable of who you are.
Modeling was always a childhood passion for me. I always had a dream that I'd end up on the runway. And yeah, I guess I'm just trying to live out that dream today.
Fiji Fashion Festival is a good platform for me to express my inner beauty, to express myself, and to express the glory of God in my life.
I just thought of trying something new and maybe gaining experience, meeting new people, and just for the fun of it.
I thought that it would be a good experience and could really boost your confidence level.
Well, many of my friends and many people I know has been advising me for me to take up modeling because they see potential in me, and I thought I'd give it a try.
I've always had like a passion for modeling, and then I was invited by one of my friends to come and try out, so why not do something you love?
It's one of my passions to do something out of what I have studied, or just a passion.
I worked for a designer named Small Singh last year. His designs were pretty impressive, so I was really into it. So he'd be one of them.
But I do enjoy Samson Lee's productions. It's quite interesting. I like their productions.
Andy Koila, Ngani Lauli. I like the designs and the clothes.
I look up to Alia Jan and Philip Bastille, and designers I would love to model if I had the chance for Ava and Aisha Conrote.
My favorite designer, Mrs. Lee, the House of Koila.
I really like Naomi Campbell and her style and everything about her.
As of right now, the only one that I've recently picked up would be Gucci. Like there's a few things there that really stood out. It was like, that would look good on a friend of mine.
Well, I admire Zyra Begg because of her hairstyle, and I wish to take up after her.
Definitely Philippa Steele. She's one of my big-time idols because she showed that even a little girl from the islands of Fiji can do it just as internationally and big as anyone else.
I believe everyone is just perfect. We can't discriminate who is better than the other.
Just train every day and eating right, just getting the waistline. So yeah, that's it.
Mostly on my walk and confidence while doing it.
Gain more confidence and watch out my diet and the hygiene.
I'm a very devoted person to anything that I do, and I think that it would just come naturally to give my time into this.
That will be a great privilege, and I'm passionate about it, and it will help me towards my growth, and it will help me also academically.
Maybe just work on my walk, because this is like my first time. I have no experience at all, and just learn a lot, and maybe work on my confidence as well.
I would watch my diet a little bit closer. I would start a gym regimen, and I would make sure I stay hydrated, because as we've been told, that's one of the main things.
I would get a lot of rest and work on my walks and confidence.
Definitely get in shape, because I know that you'll have to be like on top of your physique game. Just getting in shape and making sure that I represent myself and my family well.
I have to reschedule my studies, the things that I do in an NGO and everything, and get the support definitely from my NGO. And contributing my leisure time to this practice. And I'm keeping a Jejemon.
How about that for talent? Some of the potentials casting for a spot to walk the catwalk at the inaugural Fijian Fashion Festival on June 1st and 2nd at the Grand Pacific Hotel in Suva. Next week, we bring you highlights from the designer party, including a reveal of the name of the designers showing at this year's show, so make sure to tune in. Time for a short break. We join supermodel Kali Kloss next. She stars in our international segment. See you soon.